Tell Mummy what you're doing today. Go on, tell Mummy. Don't be scared. You're brave. Are you brave? Noura's wearing her little hospital gown. And she's going to be ready to go in and do your MRI scan. What are you going to do, Mummy? You're doing an X-ray? Yeah, and then what are we going to do? Yeah, we're going to have lots of food. Because right now she couldn't... Huh? And get a toy. Because right now she couldn't have any food. She had to be fasting since last night. She was only allowed fluid.
Huh?
You're only allowed some water or some juice. Are you going to be a good girl?
No.
Yeah, she's listened to the doctors. She had her height and weight done. Now she's really tired. We've got the telly on for the kiddos. So we're just waiting. And we're next, aren't we? Are we next? Yeah, you're a good girl. I'm proud of you. So proud of you.
X-ray only.
Huh?
Just X-ray.
Yeah, just X-ray only.
Go to sleep.
Yeah, and they're going to put you to sleep. You're going to have a nice long nap. And then you're going to be all fresh when you wake up. Noura!
You got to
How
do
you
something.
feeling? You feel okay? Noura's had a scan. She's tired. She's really hungry. What do you want to eat, Noura? What do you want to eat? Huh? You don't know? Okay, let's go see what we should eat. But you can't eat anything too big because then you might be sick.
There's got some chips in there if you want
You
it.
can have some little snacks.
How
And look, I know you had an injection in your hand.
would I think I take this off? No,
You want to take it out? Go on then, take it out. No, not yet. So guys, so Noura did her MRI scan and she was really brave. And I said to her, if she's going to be brave and if she listens to the doctor, then
buy me a bike.
yeah, we'll buy you a present. So we had a look on our phone what Noura wanted, and
Know what it is?
you know what it is? That's because you chose it.
Yeah, it's a baby. Picture.
Yeah, so basically she chose this big box here,
Yeah.
and Mummy also got you. Yay! So should we open the big box first?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's so cute.
It's so cute. It has a dummy in its mouth. Can you open the dummy?
Yeah.
Should we open baby's dummy?
Yeah.
Oh! It's so cute.
I will take this from Daddy's house.
Okay, let's open the push chair first.
Open this and then it said
What is it?
it's a picture.
It's a double push chair. Look. They put two babies in there.
And there's a sheep down and then no one got out.
Yeah, should we get it out?
Yeah!
Closing your eyes.
Yeah.
Wait, don't look. Close your eyes. Close it. Go.
Let's push it.
Yeah.
Come on, Emily.
So cute.
Yeah.
These babies are bought separately.
Mummy gave it.
Mommy gave it. Aww.
How long we bought it?
I bought it because you were really good in your scan.